Hi guys! Thank you for joining us for this edition of Color and Beauty. My name is Tanash Nicole. And today we are decorating. We are decorating this lovely table with all of our DIYs and some other really cute stuff that we found from the Dollar Tree.
Yes, so today's decor we try to keep in mind to be on a budget, of course, kind of aligning with our other Christmas DIYs that we've been doing on the channel, but also something that was really cute. And obviously our line pattern here is going to be buffalo.
Buffalo check.
We found a lot of good things early on in Dollar Tree, so we just want to go ahead and show you guys how we're going to put everything together and see what it looks like at the very end.
Let's get to it.
Go ahead and start with the centerpiece. And if you have not seen the video on how to make this, we will link it up somewhere. Hopefully.
Yes, somewhere.
But this is our centerpiece right here.
Isn't that lovely? So we're going with the deep red theme here, and we found these lovely chargers. These came from the Dollar Tree.
Yes.
Again, this is very deep red. It's not bright red like how our shirts are. And we were so attracted to it. We were like, yes, must have.
And actually, we went back last week just to kind of see what Dollar Tree had. A lot of what you're seeing right now is not going to be available.
Yeah, it was gone.
So we definitely learned that lesson of shopping early.
Yes, if you want your pick of, as they say, pick up the litter, you got to get there early. So we are setting a table for 4, and we're going to be doing it as if this was a square table, just for presentation purposes. So the next thing we did, we have other plates to go on top of these chargers.
And guess where they came from?
Dollar Tree. I actually had this on my tablescape already.
Okay.
But this went very well with our buffalo check thing.
Yeah, kind of like use what you have. See, it's already coming together.
Yes, it is. Okay, now to dress up the plates a little bit, you can absolutely leave it just like that, but we went a step further. Now, so these are bows.
Oh, I love these.
Yes, we got these from a combination of Dollar Tree and Target.
Target.
Yes, so we added these extra little bows to these big bows that you can get Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree, yep.
Yep, and we're just going to lay these right there. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh.
I feel like the extra bow really gave it that extra pop. That we
yes,
were
it did.
For.
Yeah, it really did.
I agree. Okay, so then we have our kind of companion to our side pieces.
Yes.
And this is also a DIY that we made.
Yes, make sure you check that out. Oh my gosh, I love those so much.
These are great.
It's coming together.
Nice rustic feel to it. I really like the pine cones. I think the pine cones are like my favorite steel.
Yeah, something you don't expect from there.
No, I didn't at all. Okay, so these next little pieces are going to be kind of like our fillers, if you will, and they're just going to go right on the very front.
Yeah.
Little owl guys here that you can see they have a buffalo pattern.
Yes, these are actually little ornaments that we have converted to, little centerpiece helpers here.
Centerpiece helpers. Santa's got his helpers.
We have ours.
Centerpiece helpers. And of course, we could not top it off without including
these little top hats. Oh my gosh. Come on.
How cute.
And these also came from the Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
This is really it. I mean, you guys,
bada boom.
You see how well put together this is. All of this stuff came from the Dollar Tree, minus these little bows right here. And I just think it all comes together really well.
Really well. It's like under $20. It all worked out perfectly. And we just couldn't have asked for a better way to decorate on a budget.
Yes. All right, guys. So you see our lovely tablescape here. Very simple, very to the point. Now we're going to show you our little cookie corner that we're having right over here.
All right, let's get to it. All right, you guys. So now we're on the second part. We were decorating my favorite part of the house, which is going to be kind of the
little breakfast bar, breakfast scene that we have going on.
That we're going to convert into Santa Station. So we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys the little things that we got from the Dollar Tree again to decorate, and it'll kind of match over to the table that we were working on earlier.
A couple of items, like Asher said, from the Dollar Tree. We're staying again with Buffalo Check.
Can you tell?
I know, we were totally into it with this really deep red tray. Look,
We
how
were
pretty
obsessed
that
with
is.
this tray. Let me tell you something.
This
about
actually
tray.
was our inspiration for the whole Buffalo Check
everything,
thing.
just
Yes,
everything.
that
Because trays like this don't exist at the Dollar Tree.
they do
okay?
not. They do not. Again, we're gonna show you.
Let's all be honest. We've never seen
Look at
something
that.
so shiny.
So rich. Like
It looks like something I would get at Walmart, which again isn't like top notch, but again,
not a
dollar. This is a dollar.
$1. How cute.
Cookies for Santa, and again, they have
Buffalo Check.
our style.
This was so great. So we're going to transform our little breakfast coffee hot beverage bar into Santa's cookie corner.
Let's do it. I don't even know what I was doing.
One other item that we got from the Dollar Tree is the Santa basket. Isn't this adorable? So we are going to be putting the little syrups that we have that we put in our coffee to make them sweet. We're just going to tie them up with the same little bow that I have on my head to make it look super festive.
Oh,
Like these are bows.
I
Like
love
these are
that.
little gifts inside this basket.
Yes,
Isn't that adorable?
I'm in for it.
And see, look, it's gonna look like that.
See that there?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So you see we have our little basket. Isn't this adorable? So this is gonna sit right over here where it was sitting before.
Mm-hmm.
That is super cute. So remember this really fancy tray?
Mm-hmm.
That we had? Our favorite tray?
Mm-hmm.
We are going to put actual, very fancy china on top of it. This is real crystal. This was given to us. We're gonna respect the fanciness on fancy.
You gotta respect the fancy. So
Yes.
I'm just gonna put it right on top.
Yep.
And it's gonna look mega cute. It's gonna look like royalty.
I know, right? See, doesn't Queen Elizabeth have something just like that? Yeah. Looks divine. That's divine. Let's give you guys a shot of that. Ooh. Okay. So if you guys are following along at home, you'll see that we made these. These are cute little ball bays that we made. And this was from
I love
leftover Christmas decorations from last year.
Yep.
So we thought to repurpose them.
Yeah, and you can see that in our previous Christmas video.
Yeah, we'll put that up.
But we just
Somewhere.
decided to put these on the Snook as well to kind of give it a little bit more sparkle. Sparkle.
This is it so far. I think it's coming out very balanced. Yeah. Okay. So we have.
We need a little green in there. We need
We
a little
do.
green in
We
there.
do need a little green. This is that little green that we were talking about. Another DIY.
Another DIY. Super
Check
easy.
it out.
So these trees we actually did not get from the Dollar Tree. Obviously they look a little too good to be from the Dollar Tree. We got them from Target from the
Yes.
dollar section.
We did.
And if you have not seen the DIY on how to do kind of this really easy bow in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
you can also see that on our previous video. But we're just gonna kind of put this around probably the trees
Yeah.
to add a little bit more greenery.
Green and a little color.
That's Christmassy.
Yeah.
Let's just do that.
Right. So this was some little plates that we got from the Dollar Tree.
Cookies for Santa.
Cookies for Santa. So we actually got some really great cookies for Santa that we
Yes.
are going to put on these little trays out here.
I love it. Okay. Great. We were lucky enough to find these thermal mugs that again are in our design. So, you know, we just could not walk away without buying
Not have them. There was
Not
no way.
have them.
You
Yeah.
could not have them.
So this would be really cute. Again, if you came over here and made some coffee or some hot cocoa and we were just on the go, definitely just take this. Or you could just leave it in your breakfast nook, depending on what you want. But we are gonna go ahead and put them on there for now. Alright you guys, so that pretty much sums up today's video where we showed you a little bit of how we are decorating our dining room table. And also our little breakfast nook that we have. And again, we try to be super conscious of just putting everything on a budget and trying to rely really heavily on Dollar Tree.
Yes.
But like we mentioned, we also got some things here and there from Target. But I hope you do appreciate we gave it a lot of thought and we try to pre-plan as much as possible to get everything. But it's super cute.
It's super cute. I love our little stations now. Everything is just yes, everything is great. Yes, so we are going to enjoy our hot cocoa and take a break because this was
Thank you, ma'am. Awesome.
This was great.
But if you guys enjoyed today's video, I hope you did. Make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already to our channel, I don't know what you're doing, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Also hit the notification bell for all future videos that we'll be releasing this month in December to celebrate Christmas.
Yes, also go to our Instagram. That's It's Colour and Beauty, ITSCOLOUR, because we are indeed girly like that. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.